Hey, did you hear those weird noises outside last night?
No, what noises?
Like someone walking slowly around the house, but no footsteps on the porch.
Maybe a raccoon or something?
Maybe, but it sounded off, like it was dragging something.
Sounds creepy. You sure you're okay?
I'm fine, just a little spooked. Window was open, but nothing seemed touched.
You locked all the doors, right?
Yeah, triple checked. But then I found this weird marking on the wall by the back door.
Marking? Like graffiti?
No, more like scratches. Random lines kind of looked like a symbol.
That doesn't sound good. Did you take a picture?
Yeah, but it disappeared when I checked again a few minutes later.
Wait, it disappeared? Are you sure you didn't imagine it?
Positive. It was right there, then gone like it never happened.
Maybe you should stay somewhere else tonight.
I thought so too. But my phone won't get a signal here now. Weirdly dead.
That's not normal at all. Something's wrong.
I just heard the slow footsteps again, but this time upstairs.
Don't go up there. Call me if anything happens.
I can't call, no signal. I'm just going to check the door.
Please be careful.
It's unlocked. The door is wide open now.
Get out of there.
I'm outside. It's freezing. I don't see anyone.
Head to the neighbor's house. Don't look back.
I just saw a shadow in the window behind me.
Run!
I'm running.
Where are you?
I don't know. It's dark and the streets look empty. My phone just turned off.